Hi, and welcome to 12 SDD, Option 2, Lesson 8, Division in Binary. Here are the dot points, pause if you'd like to read them. So division in binary happens exactly the same way as normal division. As a refresher, we'll do 252 divided by 12. Here's 12 divided by 252. So how many times does 12 go into 2? None, so we write a 0. And now we treat these two columns as one column, because this didn't work, so we'll now have 25. So how many times does 12 go into 25? The answer is 2. So we write 2 at the top of the column. Now we need to subtract 2 times 12, which is 24, from 25 to find out the remainder, which in this case is 1. We then pull down the next number to make it easier to do the next calculation. And we say 12 divided by 12 equals 1. Okay. Now we minus 12 from 12 times 1 to find the remainder, which is 0. And we have 252 divided by 12, which equals 21 with no remainder. So in binary, it works the same. We're going to divide 110011, which is 51, by 100, which is 4. So we look at the first column. How many times does 100 go into 1? It doesn't, so we write a 0. We then treat the next two columns as the same, as one column. So how many times does 100 go into 11? None. How many times does 100 go into 110? Once. And so we go 100 minus 10. 110 minus 100. The answer for that is 10. And then we pull down the 0, so we've got something to compare it to. 100 goes into 100 once. We minus 100 from 100, we get 0. And then we know if we pull these numbers down, we're not going to get an answer. It's because there's only 2 digits there and there's 3 here. So we can keep going if we want to. If we want to go into decimal points to find the remainder. But in this case, it's just going to be 12 remainder 3, because that's what we've got left here, 3. So 51 divided by 4 equals 12 remainder 3. And if we did that with decimals, we'd find the right answer too. The same answer too. So computers do the same thing. They can't divide, they can only add. And so they follow a similar method, except they don't subtract, but they convert 2 to 2's complement and then add. So basically, when we go back here, we do the subtractions. Instead of doing subtractions, they would make this the 2's complement version of the number and then add it, just like we did with subtraction. Otherwise, the method's pretty much the same.